Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to class pre-9th. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you for having me as a speaker here. I am going to be speaking to you today about the contents of our last lecture, that is media and its impact. Our lesson is divided into two parts. We are discussing the exercise of unit number 3, media and its impact. Our first part deals with the vocabulary and the second one tells us about grammar. You see what vocabulary is. Vocabulary is a set of words that we use that consist of a number of words that are similar to some other word. Here is an exercise about the words and phrases that are a part of our exercise. So you see the first word is geared up. Geared up means fully ready. Fully ready. Here the students are all geared up, that they were fully ready for any type of activity. Global village, universal community, people have come closer to each other. Here you see that the media has turned the world into a global village, that the people have come closer to each other. A click away, that the world is just a click away within approach. The whole world is within our approach, or you can say it is a step away. Constructive role, positive role. Media can play a positive role, useful work, that it can teach, it can inform, or it can provide us entertainment. That can be the constructive role of media. Raise awareness, to make someone informed, to make someone aware of something. Make others informed, that media raises awareness about many issues. To keep an eye, watch and note, that media is constantly keeping a watch on every segment, every part, every happening of the society. A mouthpiece of the downtrodden, a representative of the depressed people. So you see that media has become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Media has become a representative of cruelly treated people, that media shows the sufferings of these people on television and internet, or you can say that they are presented on TV. Moving forward, the next exercise is also about vocabulary. Put these words in relevant column to identify the part of speech the words belong to. Media, you can say medium. Audience, means, eagerly, global, corrective, communication, information. The next word is impact, constructive, false, loudly. These are the words which belong to different parts of speech, and you have to arrange these words. So let me define. Noun is the name of an idea, a person or thing, or you can say that it is the naming word. So the words media, means, audience, impact, information and communication are the words which belong to the category of noun. The next category is of adjective. Adjective is a word which is actually the quality of some noun or pronoun. So you see false, and you say that false answer, so the false is adjective. Global village, the quality of village is global, so you can say that global is adjective. Corrective impact, corrective impact, so corrective is adjective, it is the quality of impact. Constructive role, you can say constructive role, the quality of role is constructive. Moving forward, the last category is of adverb. Adverb is the word which add meaning which add meaning to a verb. So you see eagerly attend the class. So here you see attend is giving eagerly is giving meaning to attend. You can say eagerly is adverb. Loudly is crying loudly. You can say that loudly is again adverb, which is adding meaning to the word crying. So moving forward, we have the other session of our this lesson, that is based on grammar. Change the following words into noun, fill in the blanks with nouns. Here some of the words are given. You see that some of these words are adjective and some of these are verb, and you have to make noun from these words. Safe, you have to make noun safety. Excited, excitement. The next word is devastating, and the noun is devastation. The next word is active. The noun made from it is activity. Helpless is adjective. So you see helplessness, noun. Again, next word is hope. Hope is hopelessness. The next word is able is ability. The noun form from able is ability, and the last word is justify, and the noun made from justify is justification. So you have to put the these noun in blanks. Doctors are concerned with safety of the patients. In a state of excitement, she cried loudly. Floods often cause large-scale devastation. Positive activity will keep you healthy. Her helplessness was quite obvious. She was in a state of hopelessness. She has the ability required for the job. Have you any justification of this act? So this is the end of our exercise A of grammar. Now moving forward towards pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun, is called a pronoun. Pro means for a noun. So here are a list of some pronouns which are used in the lesson. Personal pronoun. The pronouns used instead of persons are called personal pronoun. For example, I, we, you, he, she, they. Next category is possessive pronoun, which shows the possession of some person. The pronoun used to show possession or to point out the person who owns the object. For example, my, mine, your, his, her, over, there. Next is reflexive pronoun. When we add self to my, your, his, her, it, and self to or, your, them, we get words which are called reflexive pronoun. For example, yourself, myself, herself, themselves. Reflexive pronoun are used as object of the verb and refers to the same person or thing as that denoted by the subject of the verb. As you see that if you are using she, so the object of she will be herself. For he, the object will be himself. Indefinite pronouns are used to refer to person or things in a general way, but they do not refer to any person or thing in particular. That we are talking generally. For example, somebody, someone, all, few, many, anybody. So you have another exercise, identify personal, possessive, reflexive and indefinite pronouns. This is, the first sentence is, this is my book. Here my is a possessive pronoun. It shows the possession of some person. Salman is absent because he is ill. We are using he for Salman. So Salman is a person, so he is called personal pronoun. You, the person to whom you are speaking, second personal pronoun, so it is personal pronoun. Will hurt yourself. Yourself, again it is used as object and it contains self. The pronoun which is formed by the addition of self, they are called reflexive pronoun. Nobody was there to rescue the child. Nobody is referring to person in a general way. Nobody was there to rescue the child, so nobody is indefinite pronoun. Moving forward, we have another exercise related to pronoun errors. Here some errors are given, so you have to correct them. Identify pronoun errors and rewrite the following sentences correctly. Media plays a very constructive role for the society. They raises awareness about many social issues like corruption, terrorism, drug addiction and violation of human rights. So you see that this paragraph is about media. Media plays a very constructive role for the society. Why they are using they for media? As I have told you before, that media is the plural of medium, but it is taken as singular. So you have to use it. It is a non-living, or you can say impersonal pronoun. Impersonal pronoun is it. We use for non-living thing the pronoun it. The next sentence is my would conclude. My is a possession. Here it is here my is wrong. We use the subjective case of my, that is I would conclude the discussion by saying that media plays a positive role and has a corrective impact if they work honestly. Here you see that they are that we are talking about media. Media is taken as singular, so we use the pronoun it. The next part of our pronoun error is good, very well concluded. I am happy that all of yours is a possessive pronoun, all of yours, so it is wrong, not yours, you. All of you have participated in this discussion and have expressed himself very well. Again, himself is wrong. We have taken the subjective case you, so we have to use the reflexive pronoun of you, that is yourself. All of you have expressed yourselves very well. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you.